frame. But unboxing number 2, scene 1, take 1. I don't know what a roll is, but I just put down number 2.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Naya of AhhhSoNeo saying hello, and I jumped in on the fun for the Beautylish gift card event. So if you'd like to see what beauty products I picked up during the Beautylish gift card event, watch on. I got a big old box.
Unboxing 2, scene 2, take 1, roll 2, but I also don't know what a roll is.
She is aggressive with that thing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Naya of AhhhSoNeo saying, hey, how have you been? Hope you've been well. So, Beautylish, when you can't even speak English, Beautylish gift card event has been going on. So for every $100 you spend, you get a $20 gift card that you can use in the future. So it is a great time to pick up some items at 20% off. Yeah, so we'll be getting into that in a second. If you're new here, hey, welcome back. I mean, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you've been here before, you're the real MVP. Thanks so much for coming back. So, I'm Naya. I like beauty. I like to buy beauty stuff, products, and I'm really mainly into skincare because I am now actually in esthetician school, so it's all about the skincare for me right now. I'm loving skincare at the moment, so it came in a nice little heavy box just like this. And let me share my goodies. So first, I did buy some of these huge clear makeup bags that I am actually going to use them in my makeup kit during SD school. And I'm going to use them to store my brushes and then also to store some skincare that I have. I got these two, and they were on sale for like $8 each, but I got those to put in all that stuff. But now let's get to the actual goodies. Now, this is my ride or die makeup remover. I cannot tell you how many of these I've bought. I go through at least 3 a year. I think maybe 4. I usually buy them in the 2 packs, but this time around I just bought the one, and it's just amazing. This is the Bioderma Micellar Water Makeup Remover. I know Garnier has their dupe version of this, which is half the price, and I know all the beauty houses now have this, but for me, this is the original. It's the one. It's reasonably priced, and I just keep going back to it. It's pretty much the only makeup remover I buy now, and I love it. Okay, and the next one, I kind of went back and forth on this one. I wasn't sure if I was going to get it because this brand for me has been canceled after they catfished us, and so I'm pretty sure you know which brand this is. But
which brand is it?
It's Hourglass. I was gonna build that up a little bit more, but since she said that, I just kind of like jumped in with it. But anyway, it's the Hourglass Caution Mascara. This is one of my absolute favorite mascaras. After the Chanel Le Volume, I discovered this. So this, Chanel, and the Dior Addict are my top 3 high-end mascaras. And yeah, so the new Volume 3 Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette, or whatever they're calling it, it looks, I mean, I've been watching the videos, it looks great. I want to buy it. I'm just going to wait to buy it on sale because I don't want to give them my full money. The next 2 products are, one is a repurchase, the other one is something new. Now, it's so funny because one of the things, okay, so in SD school, I am about, for some of the girls, 20 years older than them, and we practice our facials on each other. And the SD school, esthetician school, we practice our facials on each other, and one of the comments that especially the younger girls love to make is, you have really great skin for someone your age. I'm like, baby, I got great skin, period. And one thing that I always say to them is that other than sunscreen, because I use sunscreen religiously, and I've been using sunscreen for probably the last 20 years, especially on my face, so forever. One of the products that works wonders on my skin and has really helped keep me smooth, keep my pores tight, just keep me looking good. One of the ingredients, I should say, is glycolic acid. I love glycolic acid. For the longest time, I used to use the Peter Thomas Roth one, but then they reformulated and I did not like the new formula. And when I ran out of my 4 backup bottles, yeah, I really had 4, I had to find new products. One of them that I found and have now repurchased is the Omorovitza. This is their acid fix product, and it is, I'm almost done with the first one that I had. Omorovitza is like seriously really expensive products that I don't know if they're always worth the money, but this acid fix, I do like it. I've been using glycolic acid for so long that anything less than 10%, I don't really feel it. It's actually even one of the reasons why I didn't like retinol when I first started using it, because I couldn't feel it because my skin is used to active ingredients and active products. But this, I found that when I put it on, it will tingle just a little bit, which with glycolic acid, you know, it's an active ingredient. So that really has helped me like have faith in this product. So it has water, the Hungarian thermal water, and then the very second product is glycolic acid, although of course it does not list the percentage. It also has a yeast extract and salicylic acid, and then it has some other extracts in here. So my other favorite product to use is squalene or other like yeast probiotics. I really love a good probiotic on my face, so I think that combination of AHAs, BHAs, and some yeast extracts on this product have been really beneficial for my skin, and so that's why I chose to repurchase it. My other one is new to me. It is from Good Molecules, and it's a glycolic exfoliating toner. I love glycolic exfoliating toners. At night, I will use a glycolic serum, a moisturizer. During the morning, I will use a toner, and then always sunscreen. And this one is by Good Molecules, and glycolic, it's water, dipropylene glycol, and then glycolic acid at 3.5%. So it's not very strong. I've used so not a very high ingredient for glycolic acid. It also has some other kind of ferments, some aloe, some salicylic acid, a little bit of hyaluronic acid at the bottom, and some other extracts. I've also used the Ordinary glycolic acid product. I've gone through those big jugs a couple of times. I have the Inke's glycolic product, but just wasn't the same for me. So when I saw this exfoliating toner from Good Molecules, I thought, well, let me try that. If I don't like it, I will go back to the Ordinary. That can be a little hard to find these days, though. Oh, what is this? Okay, I got a sample from imagine that. Peter Thomas Roth. Wow. I wasn't even thinking of this brand. I mean, I talked about it earlier, but I didn't even realize that I had a sample from them. So the universe is always talking to us. So yeah, that's what I picked up. So my products were a little over $200. I did get $40 in my gift certificates from Beautylish, and I guess I'll have some more shopping to do. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have been well. Remember what I always say, choose happiness. It's a choice you get to make every day. Make the right choice for you. Other thing I always say is hit the subscribe button. Hit it now. What are you waiting for? Thanks so much guys. Mwah. Have a good night and wonderful skincare to you too.